tờ không lấy tập nhạc 12/22 nó không hay sau khi mình 14 từ đây hỏi how are you today I'm not feeling well where do you live my home is in Washington City what kind of music do you like I love indie music how are you today a little tired but good which one to prefer I prefer me I like silver and gold equally what time is it now it's 8:09 p.m.
พวกมันจะกำลังพูดถึงเรื่อง
8:09 p.m. How are you today? I'm feeling great. How many books do you have? I own a huge collection of novels. What time is it now? Approximately 8:10 p.m. What time is it now? It's almost midnight. What kind of music do you like? I love indie music. Whose beer is this? It's hers. How come you didn't call me? I was really tired up. Where do you live? I live in Which one to prefer? I prefer me. Who's your teacher? Mrs. Nan teaching me history. How much money do you have? I don't carry coins all the time. Who's your teacher? My teacher is Mr. When's the birthday? It's next Friday. What's your name? I'm hungry. How much money do you have? Not much, just a few coins. Whose bag is this? Let's get along. Why are you late? I woke up late this morning. How many books do you have? Just 3 books on my list. Which color to prefer? Which color to prefer? I prefer meat is my favorite.